Hello friends, in this video I am talking about what is operation and maintenance in HVAC system. Friends, let's get started and see. Imagine you are standing inside the mechanical rooms of the five-star hotels. Thick chilled water pipes all around, a maze of ducting above your head, a long flow of shining HU on the side, and right in the front of you, massive chiller running at the full speed. The temperature display shows 6 to 7 degrees Celsius. Pumps are humming. The cooling tower is making a sound, and the suddenly technician rushes towards you. Sir, HU7 differential pressure is suddenly high. Possible filter choke. You smile because you know this is exactly what HVAC operation and maintenance is all about, friends. These machines look big, but the responsibility is even bigger. HVAC is not just for AC; it is a lifeline of an entire building, and the real superheroes who keeps the lifeline smooth, healthy, and reliable are operation and maintenance teams, friends. Now let's understand in the simple human way what operation and maintenance actually means in HVAC system and why it is so important, friends. Let's see. First is what is HVAC, what is operation in HVAC, friends. Operation is not just switching machines on and off. Operation means running the HVAC system the right way. Second is monitor system performance. Okay. Next is maintaining comfort conditions, and next optimize the energy and preventing problems before they become failure. Okay. Just like the driving a car and maintaining a car are the two different scale. Okay. Operating an HVAC plants and maintaining is it two different but the connected word, friends. So what does the HVAC operator actually do, friends? First is monitoring the chiller plant. Second, chill water supply and return temperature. Third, condenser water temperature. Fourth, compressor load. And fifth is refrigerant pressure. Okay. And seventh is chiller efficiency, kilowatt in TR. Okay. Those friends, imagine if the chiller water temperature is to rise suddenly, cooling across the entire building disappears within minutes. Yes, what that's why operator keep real time eyes on the plants. Second is checking pumps, cooling tower, and edge. Yes, any unusual sounds. Second, higher and lower current. Third is vibration. Fourth is suction and discharge pressure. Okay, and fifth is water flow. Okay, and next is once in a mall a pump start vibrating slightly, the operator caught it early, otherwise in the 2 hours the pump cell would have the fully leak. This is proactive operation. Yes. Third is maintaining rooms conditioning conditions, like in the rooms you can maintain temperature, humidity, and fresh air, indoor air quality like AIQ. Friends, HVAC does not only give cold air, it ensures health plus comfort together. Okay. Fourth is monitoring thought BMS. Yes. Modern building use BMS. BMS means building management systems. In BMS, you can see trend logs, you can see the graphs, alarm history of all HOs, chillers, real-time equipment status, and the entire HVAC plants appears like the digital map on the screen. Okay. In short, the operation means running the system correctly. Second is saving energy. Third is maintaining comfort. Fourth is watching every parts of the system. Okay. Second is what is mechanical maintenance in HVAC, friends. Maintenance simples means keeping machine healthy, reliable, and the long lasting. Okay, but it much more than that, friends. HVAC maintenance is divided into three major categories. What is three major categories? First is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is PM. Yes, the most important types fix the issue before it becomes a problem. Yes, example, in PM preventive maintenance you do filter cleaning and coil cleaning, belt tensioning, and you can do lubrication and chemical water treatment in chiller line and cooling tower line, and vibration testing of motors, air choose. Okay, and data logging, sensor calibration, and imagine HU filters get chopped. Imagine if HU filter get choke, airflow automatically dropped, temperature imbalance and humidity increases, energy consumption shoots up, coils may frost. Yes, PM keeps the building healthy. Okay. Second is corrective maintenance, CM. What is corrective maintenance? When a breakdowns or faults happen, fix it safely and quickly. Let's say the example of this. Example is pump seal repair, second refrigerant leak fixing, third cooling tower motor replacement, fourth HU motor bearing replacement, fifth solving VFD tripping, and sixth breakdown never gives warning. That's why CM is like the firefighting. Okay. And third is predictive maintenance, advanced technique. What is predictive maintenance, friends? This use data and sensor to predict failure before it happens. Okay. That's the example. Example is vibration analysis. First is vibration analysis, second is thermography, third is ultrasonic leak testing, and fourth is current signature analysis. Okay. And sixth is energy trend analysis. Friends, predictive maintenance catches failure in advance. Okay. Friends, why HVAC operation and maintenance is extremely important? Let's see the real life story. Let's see the story one. AC failure in the hospital and ICU. ICU temperature must always stay around 21 to 23 degrees Celsius. Humidity must stay between 50 to 60 degrees. Once a chiller water pumps failed in the operator had no start the standby pumps within 5 minutes. The ICU environment world have become unsafe. Yes, that's the story too. Server rooms overheating. Servers room are extremely heat sensitive. Even 2 to 3 minutes of the cooling failure can shut down the servers, trigger alarms, cause data losses, create overheating damages. That's why operation and maintenance team check server rooms temperature every 30 minutes. Okay, that's the third story. Malls on a Sunday rush day. Yes, Sunday is the peak crowd day. HU can run at the higher speed. Operation team calculates load in the real time, which chiller to turn on, which one to turn off, so energy is saved and comfort is maintained. Yes, what is included in HVAC operation and maintenance? So let's get started. First, operation activities. In operation activities, startup and shutdown, produce race, temperature, pressure, flow monitoring, pump and chiller sequencing, cooling tower fan control, and HUFCU operation and logging. Okay, and fresh air regulations, energy optimization, and PMS alarm and trend monitoring. Okay. And second is maintenance activity. This is operation activity. Maintenance, in maintenance activity you can do filter cleaning and replacement, oil washing, and belt infection and tensioning, and okay, and lubrication, belt and lubrication, pump alignment in this. Okay. And water treatment like controlling pH, TDS, and hardness. Okay. And descaling heat exchangers. Okay. And refrigerant level checking, drain line cleaning. Okay. And motor measuring test. Okay. This is doing in, and VFD servicing, this is normal day. Okay. Friends, a day in the life of an HVAC operation and engineers. Okay. Friends, let's see the benefit of proper operational maintenance. First benefit is energy saving, 10 to 30% reduction in electricity bill. Second is long machine life. Chiller pumps motor last years without major repairs. Third is fewer breakdowns. Yes, preventive maintenance reduce the failure drastically. Okay. And fourth is better IQ and indoor air quality, clean air, less trucks, healthier space. Okay. Fifth is customer comfort, essential for the malls, hospitals, hotels, and offices. Okay. Friends, a skill need in HVAC operation and maintenance. Let's see the skills needed in operation and maintenance. Friends, mechanical and electrical knowledge, chiller plant operation knowledge, pump valves understanding, BMS handling, okay, and HUFCU troubleshooting, and water treatment knowledge, which chemical used for cooling tower waters. Okay. Energy management and leadership skill you must know. Okay. And modern trend, smart HVAC operation and maintenance. Today HVAC maintenance is become smart. Okay. uh, smart because lot of IoT sensors and remote monitoring and AI based predictive analytics, okay, and energy dashboards, okay, and a smart PFD algorithms used in modern HVAC cloud based data. Okay friends, HVAC engineer now use tools and data. Friends, let's the conclusion of this video. Friends, the ultimate takeaway: HVAC operation and maintenance is not just a job. It is the responsibility of keeping a building heartbeat stable. Without proper operational maintenance, zero comfort. Without proper operational maintenance, you problem face zero comfort, sky high energy bills, mechanical fail quickly, endless complaints, poor air quality, unsafe environment. Okay, with proper operational maintenance, comfortable building, lower energy cost, machine longevity, cleaning air, smooth operations, happy occupants. Okay, friends, HVAC systems keep building cool, breathable, and livable, and HVAC operational maintenance engineers are the silent superheroes who make it happen. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.